What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be finishing up the CRF 80 build. We got a 420 precision roller chain off eBay. Now we got a JT Sprockets 46 tooth rear sprocket. And then we got a 12 tooth front sprocket, also made by JT Sprockets. I geared it down a little bit, so maybe it's going to be a little easier to do wheelies. I don't really know. It's 80 cc, so you can't really expect much. But yeah, let's get into it, and let's put on the front sprocket first, I guess. So yeah. And now let's put on the back sprockets. Pop right off. Alrighty, so for the back sprocket, should be fairly simple. Alrighty, so we got the rear sprocket on, nice and solid. As you can see, JT Sprockets. And on this side, you can see 46 tooth, like a nice matte black finish. Kind of matches in with it. So yeah, let's throw this tire on, we can get the chain on there. Alrighty guys, so now in order to put on the chain, this might be the more dirty part, but again you're just going to want to cut a hole, package, make sure you don't lose your master link right here, that's going to come in handy in a minute. It's still nice and greasy. You're going to want to put the bike in neutral and just Alright, I'm going to have to finish this up pretty quickly, but basically what you're going to want to do is just put the chain on this side. Fit it on this side, make sure that it is the correct length and all. Now you're just going to want to put your master link in through the pins. Boom, we got that in. And you're just going to want to fit on your master link and you should be done. And boom, we're done. And if y'all enjoyed, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, everything. And yeah, before my phone runs out of battery, peace.